Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Friday, September 9th, 2022. Let's find out what's going on the Forex calendar. Yesterday the European Central Bank has hiked the interest rate as expected to the level of 2.35. So that was pretty much the most important event of the week. However, today there is still the Euro Summit that will continue through all of the Friday and possibly for the rest of the weekend. Employment change data and unemployment rate data from Canada scheduled for is 2:30. As you can see, unemployment rate is expected to increase from 4.9% to 5% in Canada. So we'll definitely take a look at the Canadian dollar chart. We have some speeches from the Fed Weller and the FOMC member George. Those speeches are scheduled for us at 6 p.m. and then we got the US Baker Hughes US Rig Count scheduled for release at 7 p.m. together with the total rig count. So all of this data are important for the crude oil traders. At the end of the day, we got German Buba Marauder to give a speech, and the rest of this data are the CFTC the speculative net positions. Those are from the futures market presented at the end of the trading week. So what do we have here? It's a very let's say non-event day almost, except the Canada. So not many triggers, fundamental triggers for the market participants. However, we should take a look at the charts. Let's start with the euro dollar. Euro dollar for our chart is showing signs of a relief rally. We have broken above the short-term trend line here and currently tested it, and currently we are heading towards the next technical resistance, 1.0090. This is the high from the 26th of the August 2022, and if this level is violated, then of course we can go as high as 1.0122. So please consider this bounce. Still, this bounce is should be considered as the local bounce during the downtrend. So this is the up movement during the downtrend on the euro dollar. We are pretty much very close to the extremely overbought market conditions. However, the most important thing is now the reaction, the market reaction on this two levels, 1.0090, 1.0122. If there is a breakout, of course, there is still potential for another rally towards 1.25, 1.0554. So that's the that's of course the euro dollar. What's going on the pound? 240 minutes or 4-hour chart of a pound is showing us some sort of a bounce. We hit the level of 1.1410 just as expected. We have a bullish engulfing here and might consider higher prices for the pound in the nearest future. 1.1622 is the next target. We should see this target very soon, and of course the key thing is the reaction of the market participants for this level. So we should see some sort of the increased activity, both bulls and bears, around 1.1622. So please consider this level as the key technical resistance in the short term. In the longer term, the British pound remains in the downtrend, and this recent bounce should be considered as the local bounce during the downtrend. Let's find out what's going on the Canadian dollar. It's better to switch to the daily time frame, because it's very easy to see right now that yet another time the level of 1.3221 had been protected very well by the bears, and we have the pin bar here, we have the secondary pin bar, and now we have the confirmation, and we broke below 1.3079 the market is trading 40 pips lower, and the next target for bears is located at 1.2983, 1.2964. This is the next technical support for the market participants. Please consider this level to be the key short-term technical resistance for this market. If we want break above this break below this level, then the market might consolidate here for a moment, and because the uptrend is still kind of a strong, we might consider moving higher. Let me just finish this review with Bitcoin, because we have a very nice rally on the Bitcoin. Let me just find out where is my, there you go. Recent price action on the Bitcoin is showing very nice rally after the 18,640 has been hit. So right now we are trending just above the level of 20,000, which is very good. And we should see increased volatility here around this level. So please keep an eye on 20,716, because this is the level where the market might jump towards the level of above the level of 50 on the RSI, which is the neutral level, of course. So this is very important levels. The level, please be aware of this level, because if we break above this level, then the next target is a 30-day moving average around the level of course 21,364 right now. So that might be a very, very interesting day for the Bitcoin. For now, we are of course moving higher. There is still Saturday and Sunday for the cryptocurrency market. So this is the nice bounce, nice rally here, and if this momentum will stay on this level, then of course we might see some very, very nice bounce towards 50-day moving average, lower channel line, and so on. Last but not least, let's take a look at the US dollar index. And as anticipated, after the new uptrend high was made, 110.76, we had this bearish engulfing into the pin bar kind of a pattern, then 1 day of a consolidation, and of course we have a down movement. So just as we expected, US dollar index is going down, euro dollar is going up. The next target for the euro dollar is located at 107.45, 107.26. This is the technical support zone for the US dollar index. It might be hit very, very soon, maybe not today, but you know, it's a forex market. You never know what are the plans of the big boys. You never know what are the plans of the market participants. So a strong sell-off of the US dollar index is possible. However, it's very, very low probability. So that's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.